In this video, you'll learn how to register to become a Go Global member. Your sponsor will provide you with a link or a QR code. Now what you have to do is paste that link into your browser, or scan the QR code and click the link. You will then be directed to a registration page. Choose your preferred language and enter the required details. A notification will pop up confirming that you've been successfully registered. Congratulations! You're now part of the fastest growing network marketing company and ready to go. Also available on go.app. You can download them from the app and Google Play Store. Simply click the button or scan the QR code. For more information, follow us on social media.